What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I have it in that titanium gray. I know some other people got the purple or the orange or even the yellow, but I got the titanium gray version here. Now, this is the new device from Samsung, and it comes with the new Galaxy AI features that they partner with Google. Also has that new titanium chassis, and also has a new stunning display. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So let's cue the B-roll and the music. All right, so I'm back. I got everything set up here. So let's go through this. This device is a powerhouse. Now, it starts at $1299, goes all the way up until over $1,600. So, and you can get this in the plethora of storage sizes, 256, 512. This is the 512. You can get a 1 terabyte, but it's gonna cost you pretty dollar to get that kind of storage situation. Now, comes in 7 colors. Obviously, this is the titanium gray, but you get the black, the violet, the yellow, the blue, the green, the orange, and some of those colors are exclusive only on Samsung.com. So, having said that, this does have now the flat display. So, this phone, which I wouldn't recommend, you could probably shoot a picture like that on a picnic table or something like that, because it has a flat screen, a flat design, 6-point-inch display. Now this is a 1440p dynamic AMOLED LPTO, 120 hertz, bringing that gangsta Fast and the Furious speed, HDR10 plus. Now, super bright. Not gonna have a problem seeing this device, this display outside. 2600 nits, nuts, whatever you want to call it. It is super bright outside. You're not gonna have any problem seeing this display. Now, it has a smaller bezel, also has a smaller punch hole. So it has that premium design. It's all glass. Now, one of the things that I will say about a flat design is curves are sexy, but a flat display feels better in the hand. Now, it has that anti-reflective coating, and it looks amazing where the blacks are deeper, the colors pop. So you get that updated display. So as far as the display is concerned, it just looks fantastic. Okay, now it has that titanium chassis around it, like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Got that glass front called Gorilla Glass Armor, glass back, titanium frame, and as you can see, this thing is just an absolute beauty to use. Now, I'll be rocking a case with it, but as far as the anti-reflective coating, Samsung does have some anti-reflecting screen protectors that you can put on here, so you could still mimic that beautiful, so it doesn't, there's no reflection on it. So compared to some other devices that we have now. Now, 7 years of updates. As far as concerned, it comes with that Samsung UI 6.1, Android 14, and it does come with a SIM card tray. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry, iPhone, but that's just dumb that you don't have SIM card availability, only eSIM. But I digress. Now, it has AI features that are free till 2025 or the end of it. A lot of discussion whether that's going to continue, but it's Galaxy AI, and it's partnered with Google to give you some really cool features on here. And obviously, this comes with the S Pen, which, by the way, I absolutely love having the S Pen with the device. I can't wait for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6, Z Fold 6. And I hope that pin is inside, because this is just, now the pin is going to be the same color as your device color, so it's the same color as your body. It's got a little match there, so I love this gray. Now, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 500 milliamp battery. So you get a lot of battery in here 45-watt charging, supposed to charge up to 65% in 30 minutes. That's what's advertised. 45-watt wireless charging, so you'd have to do that. Now, you could do something that's called circular search. So if with one of the AI features, and it's cloud-based, there's a cloud-based and there's also a hardware base. So let's talk about the cloud base, which is when you circle a certain thing. So you're going to tap down here on the screen right here. Oops, sorry. Let me try that again. And then you're going to circle what you want to search. What it's going to do is going to do a Google search and find all the Galaxy S24s that you're looking for, or whatever that you're looking for. Now, as far as photo editing, now that's hardware based. So you could do some photo editing, you could do some text editing, you could do all kinds of editing when it comes to the AI. And you're going to be able to do, like if I wanted to move my dog, oh, sorry about, no, that's not how you do it. That's the circle to search. But you go here, and then you hit the little AI button here, like that, and then you're gonna circle your dog here, and then if you want to move her around, you can. So you want to put her here next to the other one, boom, and then you can generate it, and then it'll do its thing. It'll move the doggy to closer to the other doggy. Now, one of the things with the AI is that they also have live translate, interpreter for speech, different languages, all kinds of stuff. One of the other things, it has instant slow-mo. So if you have a video and you take a video and you hold down on the screen, it'll slow-mo the video, which is kind of cool. So that's another one of the AI features that they have. Now, as far as the camera is concerned, you get the quad camera setup, 50 megapixel lens. You get 100 times zoom, up to 200 megapixels on here. So if you want to take those high megapixel counts, you can. It does have a 5-time optical zoom instead of that 10-time optical zoom that the Galaxy S23 Ultra had. So take that in consider. You still could do the 10-time digital zoom, 30-time digital zoom. You could do all that. Now, it went from the 10 megapixel 10-time optical zoom to a 50 megapixel 5-time optical zoom. So you have to take that into consideration when you're using the device. But we're going to probably test how great this camera is at 5-time optical and 3-time optical. So I think it's going to be fine. I don't think that's an issue. You do have the different focal lengths, and Samsung usually does have a good job of having good pictures and having them taken well with the device. Now, the shutter on the camera sensor is supposed to be faster, so we'll see how that translates in real life as we do some tests. So we'll see how that goes. Now you get 4K 60, and now you can adjust all your focal lengths on here when you're taking video. So you can do ultra wide, 20, and you can go up to 20 times zoom on your video. Now 4K 120 frames per second in Pro mode, which is excellent. So you got to take that in consideration. Now, front facing camera here, up here, you get a 12 megapixel, and you could do 4K 30, 4K 60 video. And you'll be able to take your selfies, your portraits, whatever it may be. Now, the fingerprint reader on here is pretty darn good, I thought. I did set it up. I do have face unlock here. So we're going to go ahead and try to do the fingerprint, but it works really fast. Under display, ultrasonic fingerprint. You also have face unlock, which is great. So I'm really enjoying this device. I mean, from unboxing it, I do like the feel of it. It does feel a little lighter with the titanium. I do like the flat displays on here. I'm looking forward to using the cameras on here and the video cameras and all that, and see what the capability of the Galaxy S24 Ultra can be. But keep it locked right here for more videos like this. If you have any questions about this, I'm really excited about this device. I've been waiting for it. Yeah, is it much of an upgrade when it comes to the S23 Ultra? The one thing is you're going to get a lot of those AI features on here. Now, the Pixel has AI features too. It has circle to search also. So they brought that to the Pixel line. But as far as the Galaxy line, you're going to get a better display. You're going to get a titanium chassis on the Ultra versions, and also the cameras. you may be able to get some additional AI features on here. But AI is taking over, man. It's a big part of technology these days. I don't know day to day how much you're actually going to use it. That's the thing that I think, like circular search, how much time. Now I can understand the photo editing, the live translate, the interpreter, that kind of stuff. Those AI features are great, but I don't think you use AI as much as you think. It's kind of like some other things that we think we're going to use a lot and we don't. But I know that the display, the cameras, the texting, my emails, all that good stuff I'm going to use on a day-to-day. So, but I appreciate you guys watching. This is the unboxing and first impressions of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Peace, party people.